Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and today is day 4 of the 5 days of fall. And here are the 2 pages for today. And I thought I would use some envelopes and make a little tuck pocket thing, and then have like a pocket in a pocket. So kind of like a Russian doll, but with envelopes. You know where it goes in. Yeah. Anyway. All right. So first thing is I want to measure this, because this envelope is actually going to be a pocket inside this envelope. And then we're going to use one of these pieces of ephemera, and then that's going to also be tucked in. So we need to make sure that I just fold this so there's enough room for this pocket or this envelope to slide in. And then I am going to cut this like that. I want it a little straighter. There we go. And then I'm going to just take a sliver off at the edge of the envelope, because then that will then become a pocket. And then this guy will then be able to slide in here and come out, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a little sliver off of this, and then we can also slide something in here. Okay, so first thing I want to do is use this background page, and that's what I'm going to use to cover this envelope. So let me trim this bottom off. Trace. I could measure, that would probably be easy. So I'm just going to trace it, and then I'm going to take this and trim. If you haven't, make sure you are looking for the hashtag 5 DOFC 2021, so you can see all of the fun makes that everyone is making with the 5 days of fall. All right, probably gonna have to trim it down a little bit, but let's go ahead and glue this down. There's been some really, really cool ideas. It just blows my mind every time how people can take the 2 same pages and come up with completely different ideas. It's really, really fun. And it's kind of nice because it's actually starting to cool down a little bit here. It's been, I think this week I was seeing, and next week it's going to be in the 90s. That's crazy. It's been pretty warm the last few weeks, so I'll take the 90s. All right, I think I'm going to do the same thing for this. And then we'll kind of break up the pattern, maybe with some lace or ribbon or something else. Gonna glue this down on the side, so it's a tuck. we go. And then we'll glue this on the front. Like that. Okay. So we have this. And we have our little tuck spot. Okay. Let's see. What do we want to cover the front of this? Maybe this guy. That'd be good. Can I trace this? So I've started my journal that all of these pieces are going to go in. And let me show you my cover. This is my cover so far. I actually did, I attempted sewing my squares kind of like a quilt. I just kind of did random. I didn't do it very straight. That's why I couldn't be a quilter. And then there's my inside. So yeah, I'm going to use the journal kit, my journal kit that coordinates with the 5 days. And I'm going to toss in some other pages. And then I'll have a full journal. That's also the fun part about this collab, is that you have all these really cool makes that you can then add to a project. If that's a journal or something else. A folio. It's pretty fun. We've been talking already about the 12 days of Christmas, and we're just trying to decide when to do it, because a lot of people like to use their Christmas journal for like a December daily. And so we're trying to find out if we want to do it in November, but then it runs into Thanksgiving, or if we want to do it at the start of Christmas, but then you're making your journal while you're trying to do your December daily, and that gets a little bit crazy. Do I want to cover this back side? I think I do. Let's go ahead and oh there. Oh my gosh, this must be barely. Let's go with it. It was my mom who suggested the blue pumpkins in the kit. I showed her the kit before it was completely finished, and she's like, Cara, where are the blue pumpkins? And I said, oh, you're right. We definitely need blue pumpkins. They're so in right now. So I went and I added some blue pumpkins. So thank you, Mary Jo. Ah! Sorry, that's probably loud. Okay. So I added, oh, this one is the one. I added some craft cardstock to the back of this and did some inking around the edges. I also rounded my corners. And then this guy can pop in here. And I was thinking that this mushroom could be the tab for that. We're gonna staple. Get out my Tim Holtz tiny attacher. Maybe we'll do this way so it's facing up. And then this can pop in here. I want it sticking out that far, I guess so. And then this can go in there. Oh yeah, that's good, because once it sticks in there. Perfect. Now, I might notch, let me get I might notch this guy so it has a little thumb hole. That's good. And then this can go in here. Like that. Perfect. All right, so then this guy can be tucked here, and I have a little border of the what's it called? Craft cardstock. But I think I'm gonna trim this down so it's not hanging over the edge so much. Not very straight. Ink a little bit. And this can tuck in here like that. All right, so one last thing. I want to put something here. Still have that stamp. Well, you know what? Let me grab my box of goodies and add. I also have these Dollar Tree leaves, and then I have some of my Tim Holtz leaves that I made. So let's see. Oh my gosh, they're sticking everywhere. I like that dark one. It's kind of fun. And then maybe we could put that like that, and then that. And I think I want something behind it. I have this just randomly on my desk. I think that's kind of fun for some texture. Alright, let's see. A little blue. Spread that guy out a little bit. Smush, smush. There we go. And I don't know if I want that much dimension, so I'm going to maybe take this off carefully. And then it just has the one layer of dimension. There we go. And then my stamp. I kind of want my stamp under that. And then my little sticker. Well, it's not really a sticker. I put the stuff on it to make it a sticker. Cute. So maybe we won't use any of these after all. But let's see. What if we put this up here? Or do we want this brown? Kind of like this guy. just trim this off. I like it. We can make it matchy-matchy with this here. I think I just like it like that. Okay, so there we go. That was fun. And I used pretty much, except for that, I used the whole thing of both pages. So we have a journaling card. You know what? I want to round the corners. Yeah, oh yeah, I like that. That looks good. All right, so we have this journaling card, and then we have this little tuck with another tuck. I like it. The thing is, you're going to want to pull this and not realize that there's this. I just noticed that when I did it. Oh well. I don't think, unless I make this smaller. And I add something to this to pull out. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. All right, so what a fun project. See what I mean? It's like a little Russian doll. This goes into this and into this. Pretty fun. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. And oh my gosh, tomorrow is day 5. And then I'm going to do a kind of a wrap up flip through of the journal that I will put together. So yeah, come on back for day 5. And then after that, the little wrap up video. Thanks so much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye.